Hey everyone, welcome back. In my today's video, I'm going to share a very basic planner setup that I have made for myself. This is very basic folks. I have made it very simple, which includes basic things like monthly goals, habit tracking, to-dos, etc. There are a lot of planners available in the market, but I feel it makes sense to buy a very detailed sort of a planner only once you're habituated to it. If you are a beginner just like me, start with a very basic one. Best is to just create something that suits your requirements. So last year I made a video on habit tracking. I found it very useful and thought of continuing with the same habit this year too. So I just went a step ahead and created a planner for myself. So cool, let's begin. तो प्लानर बनाने के लिए फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई विल बी टेकिंग दीज काइंड ऑफ A4 साइज पेपर्स. यू कैन ऑल्सो टेक एनी ओल्ड नोटबुक और अ डायरी. तो सबसे पहले मैं एक कवर पेज बनाने वाली हूँ. सो फॉर दैट आई चेकड आउट फ्यू आइडियाज़ फ्रॉम इंटरनेट. बेसिकली आई वांटेड टू मेक इट वेरी सिंपल, सो आई जस्ट टुक अ प्रिंट आउट फॉर माई सेल्फ. So here my cover page is ready. Next page is a printout of a motivational quote. My next page will be my bucket list for this year. So now I'll start with the monthly spreads. यहाँ मैं monthly calendar printouts लेने वाली हूँ. Similarly, I'll take few printouts for habit trackers. So in each monthly spread, there will be a calendar printout, habit tracker, and one extra page to capture any notes or to-dos of the month or anything. So I will make 12 such sets. प्लानर को थोड़ा सा कलरफुल और डिफरेंट बनाने के लिए मैं इस टाइप के प्रिंट आउट्स यूज़ करने वाली हूँ. आई एम ऑल्सो गोइंग टू डू सम सॉर्ट ऑफ ड्राइंग, स्केचिंग. So let's use some color pens, washi tapes and stickies to get started. Folks, I know that we are already in the month of Feb. So first of all, let's go ahead and make the February monthly spread. जैसे मैंने पहले mention किया था, first page will be the monthly calendar spread, the second will be habit tracker, and the third one will be like an extra page to capture my reflections, to capture my to-dos, etc. So in this way, I'll make sets for other months as well. To decorate this, I have used newspaper cuttings, sticky notes, washi tapes, different kind of stickers. Once the pages are ready, let's organize. So I'll get all the pages together, arrange it monthwise, punch it, and secure them together with binder clips. And the planner is ready to use. Do subscribe for more such videos. Stay tuned. Bye.